Hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Reader, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got something very different from anything I've done before. Now, when you look at this, you're just gonna say, dude, really? You've never tried cup noodles before? Well, of course I have. But this isn't a normal cup noodle. This came from a place called D8 THC shop, and it came by way of a fella named the Fat Hipster. Look him up on YouTube. He does a lot of food reviews and stuff. But yeah, D8 THC shop, like THC as in weed. Yeah. So apparently the way he described it to me, there's D8 and there's D9. And that D stands for Delta. The difference is D9 comes from cannabis and D8 comes from hemp. And currently there's no stipulation on sale, or it's like a workaround for the pot industry for having stoner stuff. And this is a cup noodle that has something in it. I mean, I look at the inside on the top and it's kind of shiny, and I'm guessing it was some kind of oil that they put in this. I'm like, I've never done anything like this. I've smoked weed before, but it's been a long time, and whenever I did, it was a very, very small amount, and it got me just like, woo. So we're gonna see what this does. It's a chicken cup noodle. I'm hoping that it doesn't taste like absolutely horrible. You never know. It was funny. It came in a bag, which had a bag inside of that, which had a bag inside of that, and then the cup noodle was in there, and there we go. And then we've got a little sticky there. Standard 3 minutes. It didn't come with any instructions. It just said D8 THC shop. And I was like, who would send me this? And I was thinking, like, could it be that guy? And then I was like, I know who sent me this. And I asked the Fat Hipster, and he was like, maybe. And I was like, yeah, I knew it. He sent me stuff before, and yeah, I had a feeling it was him. So I got some stuff to go along with it, which seemed like the logical thing to do with the parlance of our times and such. We have some Mountain Dew. I got the Diet Mountain Dew. I know. And I got a wee bag, because I mean, it's a cup noodle. They look small, but there's actually, they're pretty filling. A wee bag of Cheetos. So I got Cheetos and Mountain Dew. I should mention, so this is the cooking portion, and there's also, this is gonna come out on Valentine's Day. So when you see the post for this, there'll be the cooking portion, which is this, and then it'll be the mukbang, where I'm actually eating it and then sitting here describing what kind of effects, if any, that I get from it. I'm gonna guess, knowing me, it's probably gonna make me feel all funny and paranoid and weird and stuff, but hey, whatever, you know. I know it's not gonna be horrible. But yeah. The only thing I'm worried about is that it's gonna taste really bad. I think there's a good possibility of that. But you never know, so. I just went and walked 6 miles out in the outdoors, and yeah, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling peppy. Yeah. I had some oatmeal and a little bit of peanut butter for breakfast. I had all my vitamins. I had a Bang drink. Yeah. So lunch will be a THC infused cup noodle, which is like, yeah, I should mention that our old friend Stumpy from North Little Rock, Arkansas, flaked today. The mukbang was going to be a combo. I got him one of those Pocky One Chip Challenge tortilla chips for Christmas, right? And he was like, yeah, oh dude, thank you. Yeah, I'll do a really good one and blah, 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 blah. He flaked out, like, big time. I was like, dude, today's the day. You go get your probiotic yogurt, your little drink, you drink a little, you drink a half, you get 2 of them. You drink half of it, do your challenge, wait 5 minutes, experience the whole burn, 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 and then you slowly sip on that probiotic yogurt and you'll be fine. I'm scared, man. I don't want it to like totally screw me up and blah, blah, blah. And like, oh. So I got to do this solo. It would have been way more fun having it split screen, me doing this and him doing that chip, but I don't know. I just don't know. But I'm still gonna do what I decided I was gonna do. Normally right now, also, I would be doing a taste of this, but obviously I'm doing a mukbang, so. Mukbangs also usually are for spicy things, and this is obviously not spicy. I guess I could put some hot sauce in it. Yeah. Whoa, whoa. That lid. Wow, what the? It's like the lid separated. Never seen that happen before. Anyways, so we're stirred up. Alright, we have a chicken cup noodle stirred up and infused with tetrahydrocannabinol. Okay. And we're going to pour it in this bowl. Because I'm not going to eat it out of this because it's going to take me a week because the foam really makes these things hot. Don't make one and give it to a little kid and like leave it in front of them, but you know better, I hope. All right. Here we are. Let's let Rotato work a little magic before it all goes down. Well, there we are. You'll see another video in this post, or yeah, just look for the D8 THC Ramen Raider Challenge and you'll find it. So hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles. Have a good one. Bye-bye.